चलो भाई देखो अब मैं क्या करता हूँ.
Hello guys, welcome to your channel The Study Hub. Hi, I'm Shankar sir. The Study Hub, it is the only platform where you can learn the physics, chemistry, math absolutely free of cost. So guys, please subscribe, share it and comment. And I'm sure after this video, the chapter polynomials of class 9 will be absolutely clear to all of you. So guys, let's start the last and the third part of polynomials, 2 or 3 or 4 sums, which will be very helpful to do the rest sums in the exercise of Sarma, Adis Agarwal and also NCERT. So let's start.
अगर तुम लोग नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो, वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उसके साथ स्कैम करो या फिर महफिल जमाओ, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए.
The problem, just this is problem 1, that is it is the most probably exercise 2D something 15-16 जो old book है ना के लिए 23-24 होगा. Without actual division, so that without actual division, the question is without actual division, so that this is yes, this is exactly divisible by, without actual division, so that this is exactly divisible by this. Okay, divisible by this. This is the question. So this, let fx equal to this and gx equals to this, right? What is the question? Now, without actual division, this polynomial is exactly divisible by this. How to? You have to show. So this is a polynomial. Let this is fx and this is let. Okay, right? Let this is fx and this is gx. So as this is divisible by this, that means this is a factor of this. Okay, so you have to divide this and you get one factor. Not do in this way, add it is the divisible, this is the divisible, then that means this is a factor. So x square plus 2x minus 3, it is a factor of the polynomial fx. If you simplify it, factorize it, middle term factor, x square plus 3x minus x minus 3 equals to x plus 3. Okay, x plus 3, that means x plus 3 and x minus 1. So this is the factor of this. The gx is the factor of this. That means this is the factor of this. As this is the factors, as gx means this means x plus 3 and x minus 1 is the factor of fx. That means this. So that means this equals to 0. That means x plus 3 equals to 0 and x minus 2 equals to 0. Here x equals to minus 3, here x equals to 1. So when this is a factor means this is a factor, that means this is equals to 0 and this is equals to 0. So this equals to x minus 3 and x minus 1. So we can tell as this is the factor, so fx, that means f, write out here, fx equals to this, that means f1 equals to 0 होगा and f minus 3 equals to 0. Then it is the factor of this. So without actual division, we cannot divide. You can divide it and find out the factor, but without actual division you have to prove, you have to show. So if f1 0, f3 0, so this is the factor. Then this is the factor means this is the factor. Clear? So do in this way. This is gx, Middleton factor, factorize this, x plus 3, x minus 1. This means this. That means this is a factor. That this means this equals to 0. That means this equals to 0 and this equals to 0. So x equals to minus 3 again. Here x equals to 1. So if you put f1, if f1 0 and f minus 3 0, then it is a factor of this without actual division. So देखिए if it is f1 equals 0 why की ना तो f1 equals to इसमें write out here 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square minus 13 into 1 plus 15 equals कितना होगा 1 minus 3 minus 13 plus 15 कितना होगा 16 minus 15 plus 15 equals to 0. Clear? 15. So f1 equals to 0. Already found out. Next f minus 3. Next f minus 3 equals to, you have to find out the 0 in these polynomials. X cube, x का मतलब minus 3 1 cube minus 3 into minus 3 whole square minus 13 into minus 3 plus 15. Write it down. Minus 27 minus से प्लस प्लस से माइनस से माइनस माइनस से देखो प्लस हो गया 3 3 जा 9 9 3 जा कितना 27 माइनस से प्लस 39 प्लस 15 कितना होगा माइनस 54 प्लस 54 equals to 0. So f minus 3 equals to 0, f1 equals to 0. Clear? That means this is factor and this is the factor. That means this is a factor. That means this is a factor. So without actual division, we can prove that this is the factor of this. Gx is the factor of fx. Clear? Okay? Do in this way. This type of sums may come. Okay? Problem
Next.
number 2. Problem number 2. Second type. Suppose if, right, x cube plus ax squared plus bx plus 6. It has x minus 2 is a factor. Has x minus 2 as a factor. Clear? This is a factor. And second condition, leaves remainder when x minus 3 is divisible. When divided by x minus 3, remainder is 3. Okay? These are the questions. If this has x minus 2 as a factor and when divided by this, it leaves the remainder 3. It leaves the remainder 3, that is remainder is 3. Find the value of a and b. You have to find a and b. This is the question. Find a, b both. Find a and b. A and b का value you have to find out. तुम क्या करना होगा, a जो वैल्यू है इसको निकालना होगा, b को वैल्यू निकालना होगा. क्या क्या देना है देखो, दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर x minus 2 is a factor and x minus 3 is factor नहीं है. जब इसको डिवाइड करोगे तो रिमाइंडर क्या होगा 3. This is the question. So first we have write as x minus 2, that is the fx equals to this x cube plus ax square plus bx plus c, and this is the factor gx equals to x minus 2. That means this is the factor of this. You know how to do it. That means this equals to 0. That means x minus 2 equals to 0. Why x plus a equals to 0, x equals to minus a. That formula. That means x equals to 2. X equals to 2. X minus 2 to 0 क्या है? X minus 2. That means x equals to 2. So you have to find out f2. Therefore f2 निकालो, इसमें से f2 निकालो तो 2 क्यूब प्लस a इंटू 2 स्क्वायर प्लस b इंटू 2 प्लस 6 इक्वल टू 0 होगा. क्लियर? एज इट इज द फैक्टर, f2 ऑब्वियसली 0 होगा. क्लियर? 2 मीन्स 8 प्लस 4a प्लस 2b प्लस 6 और 8 और 6 14 4a प्लस 2b प्लस 14 इक्वल्स टू 0 और 4a प्लस 2b इक्वल्स टू माइनस 14 और 2 कॉमन नाउ कितना होगा 2a प्लस b इक्वल्स टू माइनस 14 और 2a प्लस b इक्वल्स टू माइनस 7. 14/2 माइनस 14/2 माइनस 7. तो 2a प्लस b हो गया माइनस 7. क्लियर? नाउ 2a plus b minus 7, this is one equation. You can write in another way out here, don't require. Next, when divided by x minus 3 to this 2fx, the remainder is 3. The remainder is 3. That means x minus 3, that means x equals to 3. That is the when f3 equals to 3. That means x minus 3 equals to 0. That means f equals to 3. X equals to 3. That means f3 equals to 3 होगा. तो रिमाइंडर होगा 3. ये 0 नहीं होगा, इसको रिमाइंडर आएगा f3 equals to 3. ऐसे. Okay. So this find the value f3. f3 come out of this 3 cube plus a into 3 square plus b into 3 plus 6 equals to 3 or 27 plus 9a plus 3b plus 6 equals to 3 or 9a plus 3b equals to 27, 6, 33, 30 minus 30. 3a plus b equals to minus 10. कैसे हुआ? 3 कॉमन नो. 3a plus 3b, 3 डिवाइड हो गया 30/3 equals to 10. 3a plus b 10 और 2a plus b 11. बस just simultaneous equation, solve it and a will be what is there, b भी कट जाएगा, 2a और 3a, a equals to minus 3 answer. Clear? This in this minus 3a, this f3 equals to 0. What is given? This is the sums given. Okay, 3a plus b equals to 10. Simultaneously you can solve it and get the answer. And here a will be out here 3a plus b equals to minus 10 और 2a plus b equals to कितना minus 7. क्लियर? तो माइनस कर दो, कितना होगा, एक काट जाएगा, a इक्वल्स टू कितना होगा माइनस 3, a इक्वल्स टू माइनस 3, इसमें पुट करो माइनस 3, तब इक्वल टू व्हाट, 3 3 9, 9 माइनस 10 माइनस 3 उधर होगा 1. क्लियर? सो a वैल्यू 1 और b वैल्यू निकल जाएगा. क्लियर? सो डू इट. a1 put the value of out here, b equals to minus 1. Okay, तो 3 3 जाएगा तो minus 3 minus 1 minus 10. This is the answer. Again do it. This is divided, has divided this factor. Factor means this equals to 0, x equals to कितना होगा 2 होगा this. So f2 कितना निकल जाएगा this one, and when divided by x minus 3, remainder is 3. That means f3 equals to 3. 3 value put करो. This is the second equation. This is the first equation. Solve it and find a and b. Clear? This type of. Okay? And whatever I have done in part 1 and part 2 and part 3 also, and then factor theorems there are so many formulas regarding the factor theorem. So it will be clear, all the polynomials will be clear. Factor theorem, that means you have to learn the algebraic expression. जो फॉर्मूला जो है तुम्हारा जो algebraic identity है, you have to do algebraic identities. You have to follow whatever you learned in class 8 also. Algebraic identity, all the identity you have to follow. Some of the formulas are there. You have to follow this. If you learn this and applying the formula, go through all these things. Okay. So next start some important algebraic formulas. Next, hello guys. We have already reached the end point of these polynomials. So these are the algebraic identities.
ये क्या है?
You have to know all these formulas. If you want to the derivatives and derivations of this, I will explain if you require. Then, not you have learned in class 8 also, and it will be very helpful for class 9 and 10 also. So do this formula for algebraic identities, and for the next chapter under factor theorem, it will be very important. Okay. So what you learned in the polynomials, degree of polynomials, zero polynomials, division algorithms, factor theorem, remainder theorem, and so. Okay. So here I draw my ends. Thank you. Best of luck. So don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share it among your friends. Goodbye.